Many people have read Genesis chapter 1, but not everyone really understands what it means. Welcome to the Bible Truth Made Simple, where we explain deep Bible truth in simple English. In this video, we are going to break Genesis chapter 1 down very clearly and simply. So, Genesis chapter 1 begins by saying, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." This tells us that before anything existed, God was already there. He was not created. He is the source of everything. The Bible then says that the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. This means the earth had not yet been arranged into the ordered and beautiful world we know today. It was still in its beginning stage before God shaped and filled it. One of the clearest lessons in Genesis chapter 1 is that God creates by His word. Again and again, the Bible says, "And God said, then what He spoke came to pass. Light appeared, the waters were separated, the dry land came out, the plants grew, the sun, the moon, and the stars were placed in order, and animals were created." So this shows us that God has power and authority, for He speaks and it happens. Another lesson is that God brings order out of emptiness and confusion. At first, the earth was unformed, but step by step, God arranged everything. He separated light from darkness, He separated the waters, He made the land appear, He filled the earth with life. So this matters too in real life. Sometimes a person's life can feel confused, empty, or out of order. But Genesis chapter 1 reminds us that God is able to bring order, purpose, and beauty where there was once confusion. Genesis chapter 1 also shows us that human beings are special in creation. The Bible says that man was created in the image of God. So this does not mean that man looks exactly like God physically, but it means human beings were given special value, dignity, and responsibility. So man was made to reflect God in a unique way and to rule over creation under His authority. Now, this is why human life matters. The chapter also tells us that creation was good. After each part of the world, God saw that it was good. And after creating man, the Bible says everything He had made was very good. So this tells us that creation came from a wise and good Creator. And Genesis chapter 1 is also about purpose. For nothing in creation was made carelessly. Light had its purpose, the sun and the moon had their purpose, plants had their purpose, animals had their purpose, and human beings had their purpose too. So this means your life is not an accident. The God who created the world with intention also cares about purpose. So, what does Genesis chapter 1 really mean for us today? Number one, it teaches us that God is the true creator. Number two, it teaches us that God brings order out of confusion. Number three, it also teaches us that human beings have value and purpose. And it shows us that God's design is good. So when you read Genesis chapter 1, do not only see the beginning of the world, but see the power of God, the wisdom of God, and the purpose of God. If your life feels uncertain or out of order, remember this. The God who brought order to creation is still able to bring order to a person's life today. So if this video has helped you understand Genesis chapter 1 clearly in a simple way, please subscribe for more Bible truth made simple. Thank you.